Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 fruit idioms to level up your English.
Number 1. Apple of someone's eye.
It means a person who is very precious and loved. Example, her little daughter is the apple of her eye. Number 2. A bad apple. It means a person who has a negative influence on others. Example, he's a bad apple in the team and causes a lot of problems. Number 3. Lemon.
It means something disappointing or defective.
Example, I bought a used phone, but it was a total lemon. Number 4. Go bananas. It means to become very excited or very angry. Example, the crowd went bananas when the band came on stage. Number 5. A plum job. It means a very good job that is easy or well paid. Example, she got a plum job at a top international company. Number 6. Sour grapes. It means to say something is bad just because you can't have it. Example, he said the prize wasn't important, but that sounded like sour grapes. Number 7. The cherry on top. It means something extra that makes a good situation even better. Example, passing the exam was great, and the scholarship was the cherry on top. Number 8. Peach of a something. It means very good, very pleasant. Example, this car is a peach of a deal. Number 9. Low-hanging fruit. It means the easiest tasks or goals to achieve. Example, let's start with the low-hanging fruit before trying difficult tasks. Number 10. Compare apples and oranges. It means to compare two things that are very different and shouldn't be compared. Example, you can't compare a short video and a full course. It's apples and oranges. All right, English champs, time to prove you mastered these fruit idioms. Scroll down right now and drop your quiz answers in the comments.
Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.